Good afternoon. Doing the dog walk, of course. Hey, Dottie. Yep. Today is Monday, March 30th, 29th, I'm sorry. Anyways, yep. And we're making a turn here. Yep. And I'm going to show you the recycle. Yep. It's full right now. Yep. Got music in my ear, but it won't come in on the video. I wish it would, but anyways, it's all good. All right. All right. There's the recycle. As you can see, it's really full. All right. Good girl. Yeah, Dottie. Well, enjoy your evening, and I'm going to grill a little bit later, and life is good. And who knows? Curious who's going to play good in basketball. Looks like Gonzaga's going to go all the way, but anyways, I'd love to see an upset. Take care. Bye.